Welcome to the journey of mastering your mindset, a transformative path toward achieving your most cherished aspirations. Today, we will encounter 10 powerful steps that serve as guiding lights, illuminating the way to a mindset primed for success, resilience, and boundless growth. Number 1, set clear goals. Having well-defined objectives is essential for achieving success. Start by determining your goals for your career, relationships, personal development, health, and other areas of your life. Make sure your objectives are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. By breaking your goals down into smaller, more manageable steps, writing them down can help you stay committed to them. You can remain motivated and focused thanks to this clarity. Number 2, positive affirmations and visualization. Strong declarations that uphold positive self-beliefs are called affirmations. Include affirmations in your daily practice that highlight your abilities, strengths, and desired results. Affirmations are enhanced by visualization, which involves imagining yourself reaching your objectives. Envision the specifics, the sights, sounds, and emotions connected to your achievement. By rewiring your subconscious mind for success, this exercise increases drive and self-assurance. Number 3, embrace a growth mindset. Having a growth mindset is thinking that intelligence and skill can be acquired with hard work and dedication. Rather than viewing obstacles as barriers to growth, embrace challenges as opportunities. Acquire knowledge from mistakes. Look for helpful criticism and keep going when things get tough. Having a growth mindset enables you to innovate, get better at things over time, and adjust to new situations. Number 4, practice gratitude. Being grateful is an effective way to change your perspective. Express your gratitude on a regular basis for all of life's blessings, no matter how little. You can greatly improve your general well-being by keeping a gratitude journal, or just pausing each day for a few minutes to think about what you have to be grateful for. This practice fosters resilience, a positive outlook, and the capacity to face difficulties head-on. Number 5, develop resilience. Being resilient means having the capacity to overcome hardship. Consider setbacks as opportunities for learning and development rather than letting them bring you down. Develop your resilience by looking for answers, keeping things in perspective, and believing that you can get past challenges. People who are resilient adjust to change, endure hardships, and come out stronger from misfortune. Number 6, mindfulness and meditation. Being mindful entails paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations while letting go of judgment and living in the present moment. Throughout the day, whether you're doing regular tasks or setting aside time for meditation, practice mindfulness. Stress is decreased, self-awareness is increased, and calmness and clarity are fostered through meditation. These exercises enhance mental clarity, judgment, and general health. Number 7, continuous learning. Make a commitment to lifelong learning to increase your understanding, aptitude, and outlook. Maintain your curiosity by reading books, taking classes, going to workshops, and participating in hands-on learning. Accept new challenges and look for chances to learn new things. In addition to improving your proficiency, lifelong learning also keeps your mind flexible, agile, and receptive to new ideas. Number 8, surround yourself with positivity. Your mentality is greatly influenced by your surroundings. Assemble a circle of upbeat, encouraging people who encourage and inspire you. Develop ties with friends, mentors, or role models who support your development and have faith in your abilities. Healthy connections give you inspiration, direction, and a network of allies to keep you going as you work towards your objectives. Number 9, take action and persist. Action is required to reach goals. Divide your objectives into manageable steps and make consistent progress towards them. Exercise initiative, maintain your commitment, and persevere in the face of difficulties. Recognize that obstacles are a necessary part of the journey and seize the chance to improve and learn. Having perseverance and determination will help you accomplish your goals. Number 10, evaluate and adjust. Evaluate your goals' progress on a regular basis. Consider your successes, failures, and the tactics that worked for you. Determine where you can improve, then modify your strategy accordingly. Honor your accomplishments, draw lessons from your past, and modify your plans of action to take into account new information. Continuous improvement and growth are ensured by this process of ongoing evaluation and adjustment. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey towards mastering your mindset. These 10 steps serve as guiding lights to a mindset primed for success and resilience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more empowering content. Together, Let's continue striving for growth and achieving our aspirations. Remember, your mindset shapes your destiny. Keep mastering it to unlock endless possibilities.